If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your DAZN subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DAZN website or open the DAZN app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section of the app or website. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, look for the subscription or billing section. Here, you will see details regarding your current subscription plan and renewal settings. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. Locate the option for auto-renewal. There should be a toggle or button that allows you to turn off auto-renewal. Click on it to disable the feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto-renewal, make sure to confirm any prompts that appear to ensure your changes are saved. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the update. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto-renewal of your DAZN subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to DAZN customer support.